What's up, guys? This is Casey from Casey's Customs, and in this series I am building a hot rod truck for under $1,000. In this video we finish up the interior, we try to install some glass and fail, and then we go do some burnouts to blow off some steam. Let's get going. So we are coming down the final stretch on the F1000. It's time to start doing the little tedious bullshit that's not fun. Install the glass. I still need to figure out how to cut the windshield. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that myself yet or if I'm gonna have somebody do it. I'm gonna call the guy here in town that cuts them, see if he'll do it for me, and hopefully he'll do it cheap, because if he charges, you know, $300 or $400 to cut a windshield, it's just not gonna happen. We're gonna have to figure it out ourselves. But today, what we're working on is I want to finish up the interior doors. This one doesn't have any of the cranks or the door handle. The other side does, but they're both missing this little access panel plate. Neither one of them has it. And then, funny enough, I have a spare door and some spare parts, but look at this shit. Even the spare door is missing it. So I don't know if people steal those plates or something, but for some reason they're missing on all the doors I have. Probably gonna make those. I'm just gonna fab those up out of some sheet metal real quick. I'm gonna go through all my parts to see if I don't have handles. If I don't have them in my little goodies box here, I'll be able to take them off that door. So let's do all of that. Fuck yeah. I trust it. Fuck! Ow, it worked! God damn it! Sweet. Ow! Alright, we're gonna try it again. That hurt so bad the last time. Ow! Didn't work that time! Didn't work that time! Ow. Okay, I'm getting a hammer. Oh, it worked, it worked, it worked. We don't need it. Ow. Let's go. Take measurements of the opening there, and I'll make some pieces of sheet metal. Before we get started, I want to say thank you very much to everybody that answered my question on the last episode about whether I should weld the rear end or not. I wasn't asking, you know, for myself. This truck is going to be for sale. So I just kind of asked what people would want if they were buying the truck, and the majority said don't bother with it. If I wanted a posi, I'm going to put a, you know, a Mustang rear end in it, or change the diff out to a Mustang, etc., etc. With that being said, is it for sale? How much is it going to be? You know, what do you want for it? Yada yada. I have had hundreds of messages of those, probably thousands, since this build started. Before it was even put together, I had somebody asking me what I wanted for it before I put the cab on the Lincoln. So I think what I might do is I'm thinking about doing a raffle. Let me know what you guys think. But I think in the spirit of the build, you know, under $1,000 build, it would be kind of cool to see somebody win it, you know, with maybe like $100 ticket. You know, I'll sell whatever, 100 tickets at $100 or whatever it is. And if a guy wants a better chance of winning it, you know, he can buy more than one ticket, obviously. But I think it would be kind of cool to do that. I've had a couple buddies do it online, and they had really good success with it, and it was a lot of fun. You know, it's kind of like gambling, and it's just a good time. I'm thinking about doing that. I think that'd be cool. I've also seen where guys, they figure in the shipping and everything. So, you know, your $100 ticket, not only is that buying you the truck, that's buying the truck delivered to your front door. They just, you know, they figure that in with the more raffle tickets and stuff. But let me know what you guys think about that. I think that might be cooler than just putting a, you know, whatever price tag on this and then, you know, trying to get whatever out of it. It's a hard time pricing these anyway. I've seen a lot worse ones go for like 12 grand. I've seen super nice ones go for 20. And I've seen some about in the same shape go for 10 to 15. I think in reality, you could take this truck, put a nicer interior in it, you know, fix a couple things, make them a little bit nicer than the rat rod look I was going for, and you'd have a, you know, $20,000 truck pretty easily. But that's beside the point. Let me know what you guys think. Raffle it or not, since I've had so many people interested in it. I mean, literally hundreds and hundreds of people asking, how much do you want for it? What do you want to do? I think a raffle might be a cool idea. But Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And thank you again for answering the rear end question. That saved me a ton of time. So, on with the episode. So, funny story, I just got the door panels made. I have another 54 down here in my other shop. And look, I just wanted to check. What the shit? Apparently these are rare and hard to find. I have no idea why they're all missing. Whatever, we're good. So, the last video that I recorded was like 4 days ago. My son's friend tested positive for COVID, and in today's world when that happens, they basically shut the school down and we're quarantined for like 2 weeks or whatever, 10 days. So basically, my normal 12-hour workday has went down to about 6, and when I only got 6 hours of work, it's on customer cars, not on my toys on the side. So, this video is gonna end up being short. Weekly videos are a bitch anyway, let alone on a, quarter of your schedule. So we're gonna still pump one out, but it's not gonna be very long. What I am gonna do is put the windshield rubber on the rear window and try and get this rear window installed. Like I said before, this isn't chopped. This is just a standard rear window, so it shouldn't be too hard. Still takes 2 people though, so hopefully once I get this rubber on there, my dad can help me throw it in, and we'll try and get the rear window in. Oh, by the way, just in case you don't follow me on all my other social medias, check it out. 52 Pontiac. It should be running and driving, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna end up doing a video on it as well. So, stay tuned for that. So, I was 99% sure the glass was too big or the rubber was wrong because it wasn't even close when we were putting it in there. Turns out, Ford, the rear glass goes in from the inside, and then you basically just flip the outer lip around this channel, and that's what holds it in place. I've always done Chevys before. I've never put a rear glass in a Ford. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rubber all set up, and we'll try that again some other day. My dad had to go to work though, so this video is already gonna be hectic. So, we did try, and I was pissed. I was 99% sure. I don't know if you'll see in the video, but we actually just put the bare glass up there because we were going, the glass is wrong. Somebody cut the glass wrong. But we're good, no worries. Since this video is gonna be just a chopped up mess, I think we're just gonna have to go do a couple burnouts and just do some dumb shit because I haven't driven the truck in a while anyway, so let's do that. Guys very much for watching. This episode wasn't as eventful as I wanted it to be, but I called my glass guy. He is supposed to get in touch with me in the next day or two about chopping our windshield, and then we're going to go ahead and reinstall the back glass. Considering that it goes in from the inside instead of the outside, we should be able to do that. But if I need his help, he is going to be here messing with the windshield, so we might have him hopefully do both of them in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. All that good stuff they tell you to do at the end of videos. And check out some more of my other videos. Peace.
Thank you guys know what's up. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, must have heard around.